Guys, I'm rather concerned, ne? And I'm not posting this video because I'm exposed or in. You posted this video because is slim. He's literally making me a fool, and I'm tired. I'm tired, and I'm going to expose him. Okay, sharp. Ukalis usfuba sekwebula. Wage weza lana ne? Wavakasha sharp. We had so much fun. I think I am posted on my other account. I did post him. Sapuma, everything was fun. How? Oh, few weeks later, I thought to Gamba. Nimbuze ngitsho me. When you wiki yami yama curls so e brown yama curls yabo. Athi no chuma ngiyibonanga. Ngithi awuyithathanga ngemistake athi no. Ngithi okay sharp. Ngiphume kuye ngithi you know what? Shuthi lahlekile and angisana ndaba naye. I move on. But it's one of my favorite wigs. How? Lately uyenza profile picture ngithi how? Khalis akusile inwele lezi bengizifuna lezi. Athi kimi akusizo le inwele lezi akusezakho royal. Ngithi Khalis noma bangathi into zefana bonganazo wena inwele eziso all of a sudden so nazo zibuyaphi. Ngithi Chomi wawungazicelanga kahle because yizo I mean if into one thing if into yakho yaze yakho ngithi wawungazicelanga kahle lezo inwele lezo bengizokunika or like bengizokwenzela iplan so that ngiyazi or some type of way for unlike for ukuthi wena uzithathe. Ngithukiwe ngiblokiwe ngenziwe islima uthi uzoziletha guys and ubhokhweni Bob ayicelile ngimphile why mela tshontshe lezi ezinye Khalis ngifuna ukukutshela ukuthi guys whoever umngani kaKhalis la if you are friends with uKhalis and you are close be careful ngento zakho leyo gay iyatshontsha. That's why I don't like gay friends. One of the things I don't like gay friends is because bayatshontsha amagay ayatshontsha kengeza anezana not bonke, don't get me wrong, but one thing amagay ayatsipa anesandla soku ane tendency yokutsipa, and I'm not exposing him, but I'm just telling the truth. This is how he is. Nibe ni careful if you're friends noSifuba Sekhwebula. Right ngawe Chomi, right ngawe wena. Uyabona lento yenzile. Yo. I am amagay nokutshontsha. Not nonke, but amagay nokutshontsha. Yo. Akaboni wiki yami yama curls so e brown yama curls yabo.
Royal, you are no longer royal divine. You are royal mentally disturbed ke manje. Awuthi ngikuunderstandise because sengiyabona ukuthi awusa-understand and so unekuhlanya thizeni lengingakwadi. Royal, iweave yami yemakhel ayikho brown imnyama, number 1. Number 2, Royal, iweave yemakhel ivele makuqedza kushona umufi Lady Mo. Ivele ngeti 15, which means ivele ngeti 15 July mhlazane kuthiwa sekuquthwa tindo temufi laphayana siyalutha siyadobhadobha yavela lapho iweave yami. Uyangiva sithandwa sami? Okay, eJoburg ngite ngeti 6 it was 6 August mangita eJoburg and bengichine iKelly Pop. So uyabona ukuthi lento yakho seyangilahlekela ke manje sengiyabona ukuthi you are no longer royal divine but royally mentally disturbed. Awuthi ngikubuyise maybe itobuya inetwork kancane. Royal lana ngiko ke lekhani beseJoburg la bengichine iKelly Pop and wena uthi ungibolekelenye iweave yakho before ngitshontsha le emakhel, right? Uthi wena ngifuna kwathi ukuthi na ungiboleka bongiboleke ukuthi ngiyifake because benginemakhel enhloko, ngineKelly Pop yami, bongiboleke ukuthi ngiyifake or bongiboleke ukuthi ngiyende njani or bongiboleke ukuthi siyinika someone lebenginaye bekwenda njani uze ungiboleke ngiyifaka njani kwiKelly Pop lebengiyichinile mina sithandwa sami. Uyabona nangabe ufuna ibeef, don't worry my baby, ngidokulethela yona ngetray ihambe nemsunu phakathi. Awuthi ngikulethe Royal, mina nawe soyithu I don't know, I can say simecishe kufana kancane. Une studio la upromoter khona tinwele, right? And kwanami ungathi kunjalo, I don't think ukuthi sikhona sidingo sekuthi ngaze ngiyoshontsha iweave. Nkosi yami ngine studio nkosi yami la hey la ngifaka khona tinwele ngifike ngisho leti namhla leti kwasho wacima I'm not a huge fan yema frontal tinwele. I feel like kuningi ngato nginetinwele mina sithando sami incumbi lot of it ngineta 1940 ngineta 19 bani ngilengathi shelo lapho khokho wahlekisa ngato ngathula msunu wathiwa ngitilandze kuphi kuma museum kwasha kwaqima ngakuyekela and this time angeke ngikuyekele golo ngeke. So angathi mangabe kuyinto yeni lapho eJoburg lenidlisa ngayo ukuthi vele lapho eJoburg nidlisa ngemabhifu nyana kwasha kwaqima cause lamalanga lawa ngiqedze kubona lomunye ukhuluma ukuthi nimagay alapho ni text indodza yakhe nifuna phansi kwasha kwaqima labanye bekusuke umsindo kuthiwa abakabhadarani timali temashow kuyayuzwana kwasha kwaqima decent eRoyal mina ungangijwayeli lilebe lesipoko ungaqali ungijwayelile ilebe lasengomeni labalula liluleke lithi phaqa wangathi mathumbu enkomo ungangijwayeli iRoyal ungangijwayeli igolo lelifetshwa likhihlika irama msunu ungijwayela igolo lenkawu kenyalo man yes
Asifuba sentsha. Angithi ukhuluma kakhulu. I don't have time to talk to you in your TikTok. Look, it's busy. Silwa nani ku TikTok. How about we meet? Men to men, gay to gay, life to life. What else bonus kumele kwenziwe kanjani? Senza so. Asihlangane la. This is the only way. From here, siya la. Siza la. Then sobona ukuthi ubani ibhoza because ujontshile and uyaphika uyamdina.